Hey crew, I'm about to show you where there's a secret tree swing in San Francisco, but first we gotta get across the water. Let's go. What's up, man? How you doing? Okay, see you around. We are here. If you type in the address 100 Gilmartin Drive, it'll drop you off at a little fire road, and then I think it's just a short hike up to the hippie tree. Wow, this is gorgeous. You can see Sausalito, the Golden Gate Bridge, downtown San Francisco, and you're sitting under this giant eucalyptus tree. It's like a kid's dream. It's so peaceful here too. Incredible. Even if the swings weren't here, this is still a worthwhile spot to come. Kinda wish I'd brought a picnic. Well, if that's not the most beautiful place, it's right up there. A couple of girls sat down with a bottle of champagne and we're gonna watch the sunset, which is an awesome idea, except there's only one ferry that leaves here. It's at 5:25, which is about a little over an hour from now. Just a quick 2-mile walk to the ferry station. On our way back into the city. This was an awesome day. If you want to go see the secret swing, head to Tiburon and hike up the little fire road. It's definitely worthwhile. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll see you guys next week. Sat down with a bottle of champagne and looked like they were gonna hang out for a little while and watch the sunset, which I wish I could do. Not with them, obviously. A couple girls sat down with a bottle of champagne and they're gonna listen to some music and watch the sunset, which if I was with here, well, if that's not the most beautiful place, if that's not the most